What is up, everybody? It's One Boy Gamer 101 here, and I'm back. This is the worst kill of all time in Call of Duty. With a sniper, of course, but still. It's the worst of all time, I know. Yes, I did this. I'm a retard, I know that. But still. I'm bad with snipers, how about that? Sorry if it's a lot of glare. I don't really have a good camera at all, but I know I need to get a better camera. And peace. Okay, that wasn't a piece. That's not supposed to be one. Okay. This is another kill that I did really badly. The two worst kills, I should say. But yeah, I'm going into detail mode because this has been a long, long time. So that's my friend. Yes, here we go. Come on. Yeah, I know I'm retarded. And hope you enjoyed the video, and peace!